From me.
No
way! No way! Here we go! Here we go!
Here we go! Here we go, guys! Snow squall warning!
Here we go!
Snow squall warning! Here we go! Oh my god! It's finally happening! Star Trek and I will finally sleep! Star Trek and I will finally sleep!
The line extending from near Mosquito to near Rockford Airport to near Coletta, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility and snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 91 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 97. Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 47. Locations impacted include Rockford, DeKalb, Crystal Lake, Beloit, Algonquin, Lake, Indiana the Hills, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Belvedere, Woodstock, Hunley, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Round Lake, Sycamore, Dixon, Antioch, Roscoe, Fox Lake, and Rochelle. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during a snow squall. Drivers may not be able to see or to stop. If stopped on the roadway or involved in an accident, quickly exit your vehicle. Move as far away from the roadway as possible only when it is safe to do so. Do not stand along or near the roadway, since approaching vehicles may be unable to maintain control.